Okay, well, here we are up at the Foster Joseph Sayers Dam up in Howard, Pennsylvania. It's also, we refer to it as the Howard Dam. We're gonna get the drone out. It's windy as hell. We started out this morning with no freaking wind at all. Now, the wind's blowing. So we're gonna fly it anyways. We've been waiting for what, Noah? About a week almost. You think about it. We've been waiting almost a week to get this drone out and fly it. And you know what? I said, to hell with it, we're gonna fly it. What we're gonna do is we're gonna try to head out over the water. I'd like to get a nice shot of the dam, let you guys see where we like to go fishing at, and go from there, right? You wanna bring that around here and we'll take a look at it real quick again? I just wanna refresh everybody's memory on how we're doing this. Okay, now remember, when you go to fly your drone, the first thing you want to do is get this lens cap off, because if you don't, you're going to be stupid like me, and it's not going to have any stabilization. It's going to look like shit. So you want to go ahead and take that off. Again, just there's a little indentation in the bottom. You just kind of pinch it, pull forward, and then make sure that that's nice and free. Now, I wish I had those little clip-on filters, but we don't. So we're just going to shoot. We are going to shoot in 2.7K. 30 frames per second on this. I'd like to get some nice cinematic shots, so we'll see. I want to show you the remote control. Okay, this is going to be what your controller looks like all set up. It just, you put your phone in it, you push it in nice and tight, make sure you have the proper connection on it, and all you do is open up the app. So we have the app open. We're going to power up the drone. We're going to get this ready to go. Next time you see us, we're going to be in the air flying. So what do you say? Ready? Here we go. And as always, if you liked my video, don't forget to hit that like button and share my videos. It really helps me out. And if you're new to the channel and you like what you saw, think about subscribing. And if you subscribe, don't forget to hit that notification bell icon. That way you get a notification of my videos as soon as I release them. Okay, so he's going to go ahead and start it up. And let me move this camera a little bit so you can see it. And then press and hold the center button. Okay, there we go. Okay, so what Noah's gonna do is he's gonna take it out over the dam, get some height, take it up. there's a memorial over here, and I want him to fly right over to the memorial so we get a nice shot of that. I'll zoom in on it and let you guys see the memorial from here. But we're gonna get a nice aerial view of that. And when I go, guys, I will have a stone there for me. So, as a matter of fact, I'm gonna go ahead and walk up there. So he's gonna bring it over and show what the memorial looks like. I gotta climb this thing. No, I don't. This is the memorial. Trying not to shake. And up here, whoops, up here is going to be where a brick will go for me. And it is in the walkway. So this is the memorial. You guys can see the walkway, and of course there is a name on all of these. And again, when I eventually pass away, my name will go in one of these bricks here. So. Okay, well everybody, I hope you enjoyed the video. I just want to do a real short video of us taking it up and actually flying it, for real this time. So with that being said, I just want to thank you all for watching. Hope you guys come back when we do some more footage, which is going to be coming up in the near future. Believe me, we love this thing. We're going to be having it out flying it as much as possible. That is, of course, if the wind don't freaking blow. So, with that being said, don't forget, get in on my huge giveaway that we have. I'll have the link to that down below. And I just want to thank you all for watching, and we will see you all on the next one. Cut.